Today I am taking the legendary Star Legend on Windstar Cruises. I'm cruising throughout the Mediterranean Sea with my dad. First we're stopping in Marseille and Nice, France. We're gonna be stopping in Monaco, Livorno, and finally... I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I normally don't like cruise ships, but I'm super excited for this cruise ship. Like, wow. The thought of just being on a smaller vessel compared to like something like a huge cruise ship with over 1,000 people. Okay, Dad. You gotta admit, it's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yes, it's quite nice.
First thing, let's check out this bathroom. So we got 2 different sinks. Great water pressure. Wow. Okay, that's some really great water pressure on a ship. Looks like we got some extra milk gentle soap and some lotion. We have a toilet. That was a soft clothes. Oh, okay. Nice, fluffy. For 2 people, it's almost like we could honestly have company over. 2 beds, 1 chair, a couch, 2 more chairs, and then a nice full-size TV. I'm telling y'all, every little detail of this place is just amazing. They really do have me feeling like I am an actor or some kind of superstar, someone famous. So we have about 15 minutes until the boat leaves Barcelona, but we have to get something first because I'm trying to chill right here and relax. But we need one thing first.
My business partner and I went there. We were like, this store. We were like,
Where? Thank you. And just like that, we are leaving Barcelona, and now we are headed to Marseille, France. We should be there by 8 a.m. in the morning. There's just something about leaving a port. I don't know. There's just something about being on a boat and leaving a city and heading out to the open sea and to the unknown. If you're ever on a Windstar cruise, come to the bar and you have the opportunity to meet lovely people and have meaningful conversations. So why are y'all traveling on Windstar cruises?
We travel on Windstar because you feel extra special every moment you're on a Windstar cruise. And no matter where you are or what you're doing, you are totally relaxed and you meet incredible people and get to chat from people all over the world.
That's right. The service is impeccable.
And I'm Davion.
Davion, it's nice to meet you.
Davion, pleasure, sir.
Nice to meet y'all.
And you're going to as well. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Oh, we're all getting in this.
Yes.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Dang, I just spilled it all on myself. Wow. That's how good it was. Okay, I think honestly, I need to go lay down after that. This is one of the reasons why I think everyone should take a cruise, specifically with Windstar. Look at this, y'all. That is a beautiful sunset in the Mediterranean Sea. Like, can y'all believe that this is real life? Sometimes I really just sit here, I guess stand here and just think like, wow, I am so blessed to be living on this planet and specifically in this moment in time. Okay, I'm not gonna lie though, it's super chilly. I gotta go inside now. So let's start with the bad news / good news first. We're still here in Nice, France. We're supposed to spend only 2 days here, but we ended up spending a third day here. We ended up spending a third day here because the winds were super windy. And as you guys can see, the port of Nice is really tight. And the captain actually came on the intercom last night and said, hey, we're gonna readjust the time until we feel like it's safe to get out. And one of the things I've noticed, I didn't know that there was boats that actually lead you out of the port. I'm sure you guys can tell this is one of my first cruises in a long time. Last time I was a kid. And don't worry, we're coming back for that later. We were hopping in the hot tub. Okay, now this is what I meant when I was saying it's super tight. Nice has a tight port. Y'all have seen this vessel, like trying to get this boat through this port takes a lot of skill. I really do appreciate the captain thinking about the safety of the passengers first and not trying to make just that hit time, because it's not going to be cool at all if everyone dies on board just to try to get to the next city. You truly don't realize how beautiful the planet is until you actually give your until you actually give yourself a chance to just go outside and enjoy the breeze and the ocean. This water is super blue, y'all. I'm from Texas, our water is not that blue. One of my favorite parts about this ship is the fact that they have an actual full functioning fitness center. So if you're trying to kill it on chest day, they got you covered with chest machines. They have you guys covered with leg machines. And then, of course, no gym would be complete without having a set of dumbbells. And then they have cardio machines. If you're trying to get your jog on, your sprint on, burn off all of those calories you've been eating across the Mediterranean Sea, this place has you covered. But I'm gonna leave you guys right here while I get my workout done. Okay, I think you guys should be fine right there.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, oh, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it.
There we go, that's the vibe. Oh, what is this? This is like a mist? They literally have everything on this boat. That's wild. Shower gel. Shower gel. Mix that together. And yes, I am making a video in the shower on a boat in Italia. I just want to say, this is really crazy, the fact that I have water coming from here, 4, 5, 6, and then the granddaddy of them all. Wow, it's a lot of water. I am not going to lie, Windstar, I did not expect to have a nice shower like this on the boat. I should have been using this shower every morning I woke up instead of my own shower. It is really hot right now. I did not think about the cold air and my body temperature and getting in this hot water, but it's nice. Are you bringing me my robe right now?
Yes.
Because it's that cold? You are a lifesaver, Dad.
You're welcome.
You just put it right there,
And
please.
you owe me.
Okay, the hot tub was definitely worth it, but make sure you bring a robe like this, or at least have a dad like that to help you out. But it's time to go inside. So apparently every time you go on a cruise, you're supposed to bring a tux or a nice jacket, some nice pants, a nice shirt, according to my dad. So we dressed up right now, and we're here at this restaurant called The Candles on the Star Legend, and I'm actually really excited to get some really good food because so far they have not so far Windstar has not missed a beat when it comes to their food. What do you think, Dad?
I would certainly say that. Food is exceptional.
And when I tell you my dad loves food and can tell the difference between trash and pure joy when you bite into it, you can tell the difference. I think I'm going to get the beef fillet steak mignon.
Steak, oh yeah, that's good.
So a red wine.
Red wine, yeah, it's very good.
Whatever you recommend.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my sea bass to grill.
I don't really know a lot about wine, so whenever I'm at a restaurant, they're like, "Hey, would you like some wine?" I'm like, "Please bring me whatever you would recommend." And most of the time, it ends up being good if it's a fine establishment, just like Windstar.
One is black Hawaiian from Hawaii, this one is the pink Himalayan, and this one is smoked applewood from Yakima Valley. All those three salts, it goes well when you're having the courses, so such as appetizer or main course, especially for the filet mignon. So the chef preparing less salt, so you may take advantage to try this salt. All right, and I have two kind of knife, the large and the small one. The large wood knife goes well with the all proteins such as beef, veal, lamb, and small one for fish, vegetarian, and chicken.
So I'm using the big knife.
Perfect. So you say small one, right? There we go. May I?
As you guys can see, this place is definitely a fine establishment when it comes to dining. I've never seen 3 different types of salt brought to the table. The fact that he brought the knives in a box and displayed them, I've got to definitely make a lot of money someday so I can experience this a lot more. Let's try this bread. So, this is what it's looking like right here. Oh. That's dangerous. That's dangerous.
Could you reach your glasses, please?
Goodness, Dad.
Thank you. Oh, that looks good.
Which lobster?
Thank you. I don't think I've ever seen some shrimp like this. All right, so let's give this a taste. Oh, this is some good shrimp. And I learned this here, but apparently whenever you're done with your meal, you're supposed to put the fork and a knife together so that it's easier for the waiter or waitress to take your plate. The little subtle hints. That is what we want to see, and all the juices on the plate. Okay, let's try this first piece of steak. Oh. Oh my God. The Hawaiian salt packs a punch. Fire. I definitely need to go to Hawaii soon. Okay, let's try some of these prosciutto Parmesan potatoes. Oh my God. This place is making me feel like I've never had really good food before. Oh my God. Let's try some of this spinach. All right. Oh my God. They know what they're doing. The last test is we gotta try some of the steak with the wine. The Hawaiian salt's winning all day. And then the wine. Oh, that's great wine with the food. Always try to eat your food with the wine. All right, so let's we have some pistachio, and then some whipped cream.
Mine is called yogurt.
This is definitely hard.
It's called some type of yogurt.
All right, if y'all know me, I'm not too big on desserts, but we're here at a fine dining restaurant. It has that right level of smokiness. Like, you know when you have a creme brulee, to me it's supposed to taste like I'm out at a fire, I'm roasting my marshmallow, and that is what it tastes like. This, but I'm not gonna lie, I need to go lay down right now because I've had a lot. The best part about watching the sunset is just the waves. And I never really thought I would love the sound of waves until being on this cruise ship. And there's just something subtle about, there's nothing else out here but you, your waves, and then of course y'all. And I'm talking about y'all right now. Okay, let me go in before I drop my camera. So one of the good things about the ship is they actually have a steam room and they have a sauna. I really wish in the US, or at least in Dallas, Texas, we had more saunas in the homes like they do in Finland. Because I think this is very good after workout, especially after lifting some weights here at the gym. It's really good for the heart and the soul. With that being said, I'm gonna enjoy the sauna. I will see y'all later. And no, I'm not leaving my luggage. They're gonna come get the luggage and they're gonna take it off the ship. So our morning can be, you know, free and everything, and then we'll get off and then we'll gather our luggage.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Wow, do you guys see that sunrise? So this is the beautiful Yacht Club at the very front of the ship. I would recommend coming here in the morning, getting you some of the best coffee you can, because here on the Star Legend, she makes some of the best coffee. Would you say so, Dad?
Yes.
And of course, some of the best orange juice. They also do serve sandwiches, they serve fruit, they serve detoxing, cleansing things if you've been partying really hard or you just need to clean and rid your body of all that negativity. But the Yacht Club is where I love to come whenever I want to work, I want to get on my laptop, or just chill out. I'm kidding. Don't chill like that, but just relax and enjoy the beautiful sunrise. When you're on this ship, make sure you do catch some sunrises when you are actually at the port, because these are some of the most beautiful sunrises I have ever witnessed. Like, the lighting, perfect for your videos and just for your soul and your heart. Wow. This place, this journey, I'm so thankful and so blessed. I'm going to enjoy this beautiful sunrise. My name is Davion West. I don't know where I'm headed to next, but I know I want you there with me. Follow me to 196 countries. Let me just put y'all